Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay to purchase items from Amazon. The first thing we're going to talk about is eligibility. Amazon Afterpay is available for Amazon purchases in the United States, Australia, and New Zealand. But in order to make use of that, you're going to have a valid Amazon account as well as a valid Afterpay account. So if you don't have either of these, you got to make sure you get both before you proceed. So if you have that, then let's quickly go over to the next step. And the first method is to use Afterpay on Amazon. First, you gotta go to Amazon, click on Accounts and List, and then click on Payment Options. Click on Add a Payment Method, and select Afterpay. So when checking out on Amazon, select Afterpay as your payment method. Then you have to log into your Afterpay account to confirm the payments, review the payment details, and confirm the purchase. And that's pretty much it. So a couple of tips for you guys. First is to check if Afterpay is available for your Amazon purchase. Not every single item on Amazon store is eligible for Afterpay. Not every single item. So you got to make sure the specific item that you want to purchase has Afterpay as a payment method available. And the second is to review the payment schedule to ensure you understand the payment terms, because Afterpay of course allows you to split the payment into 4 installments. Now you're gonna have to pay the first one right then and there, but for the other 3 they are split 2 weeks apart for the next 6 weeks. So you got to make sure you understand that before you go ahead with the purchase. And of course, the reason for that is you got to make sure you make timely payments, because if you don't, you're going to incur late fees. Because normally, Afterpay is pretty much free. You don't have to pay for the service. But if you miss a payment, then you're gonna have to pay for late fees. So to make sure you avoid that, then you got to make sure you make timely payments. All right, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found that useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video, and of course subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos, because YouTube doesn't always send out notifications. So if you want to stay up to date on our videos, then you gotta ring that notification bell. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.